Hi, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to allow notifications from contacts in personal focus on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X from your home screen, first go to Settings. Then in the Settings, scroll down and click the Focus. Then in the Focus, choose the Personal. Then in the personal focus, click people under the silence notifications. Then after that, as you will see, the allow notifications from is disabled. Then all you have to do is click this until there's a check mark on the side to enable. Then after that, click next and choose the allow calls that you want in this part. For example, favorites. And after that, click done. And that's it. We have successfully allowed notifications from contacts in personal focus on iPhone X. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching.